What is up? We are back. It's been a long 2 years, but guess what? Here's our first project back. Did this really quick. We have the Supra going in a couple of weeks. Gonna do all of that. Check it out. We went with the Nosatec DDE Pink, new fuel 20-inch wheels, 35-inch tires. I was gonna get one of those like crazy bumpers, but I kind of wanted to see how it looks like this first, and then here it is. This is the start of the comeback. We got a couple cars coming to the channel. I decided what is gonna be a replacement for the M8. Now I just gotta find the right spec, so we're gonna wait for that. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be an M8. It's gonna be something a little bit better. I know I've been very quiet, but I feel like now is the time to get back into it. So we're gonna get really aggressive on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm gonna have a lot of different content for you guys. That's why I was like, you know what, it's time. I wanted to do the Tundra. I told Huss, I was like, Huss, let's do it. So Rev did an amazing job. They knocked it out in 4 days, literally redid the whole thing. The wrap, wheels, redid the blackout, even did the calipers, and a bunch of like little things. We made a couple changes. We went with a different grille. We color matched the Toyota and the Tundra on here with the same color as the wrap. We're gonna redo the caps, and we did the calipers with the same color as the wrap. I don't know, you guys know me, I love white wheels. Doing black wheels on this was kind of like, I don't know. But for now, we did it till I decide what would really look well with this. I was thinking maybe like a Nardo gray or something like that would look really cool, but we'll see once I decide. We were gonna do like a little logo on the side, like a Prime logo. I just couldn't decide how I wanted it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna give you these two options. You guys in the comments tell us what you like more, because I'm thinking of doing this or this. I don't know, maybe you guys can help me decide, so just drop a comment and let us know if you want one or two. What other things did we do? We got the little decals on the back, and that's about it. We just wanted to be really quick with it. We wanted to start it back up. I'm gonna do the Supra in about 2 weeks. I have another car coming in about 3 weeks. I got a new car, so that's one thing. And then we have the M8 replacement coming in about 2 months, hopefully. I just gotta figure out what exact spec I want. I decided on what car I want. Now I just have to find the right spec. And then we're gonna go all out with this. We're gonna have fun. As you can tell, we love crazy colors, doing crazy things. We're just gonna have fun with it. So let's go take it for a spin. I haven't even driven it yet. So there it is. My bad it's a short video, but it was like just a quick turnaround. I just wanted to get back into it. So there it is. We got a lot more coming. I'm just excited because we got so much coming. The Supra's getting wrapped soon. We're gonna have a full breakdown of the Supra when we do it. We'll show all the parts, this and that. The M8 replacement, I need to figure out what spec I want, and then we're gonna, hopefully within a month or two, I'm gonna get a car. It's time to go out. You know, it's time to go have fun again and just go crazy with these colors and these cars, and stay tuned, guys.